Did you know you can now import any item from China with ease? Welcome to the world of Express Cargo, your trusted partner in international logistics. Think back to the last time you experienced an import delay. Frustrating, isn't it? Now, imagine a world where your imports arrive on time, every time. That's the world Express Cargo has created for over 98,000 satisfied customers. Take John, for example, an entrepreneur who needed to import machinery parts from China. John was initially apprehensive, but decided to give Express Cargo a go. Today, John testifies, "Express Cargo has transformed my business. Their service is efficient and reliable. I wouldn't trust anyone else with my imports." Or consider Sarah, a fashion boutique owner who imports unique accessories from AliExpress. She shares, "I was constantly worried about my shipments, but with Express Cargo, I now have peace of mind. They handle everything professionally and deliver right to my door. From auto parts, machinery and equipment, to mobile accessories, computer parts, garments, fashion accessories, ladies' bags, cosmetics, and so much more, Express Cargo handles it all." Our China office is now open following the holidays, ready to facilitate your orders from China or Alibaba and AliExpress. At Express Cargo, we ensure timely and secure deliveries, catering to global trade needs. Commercial or household, large or small, we move your cargo by air to Pakistan and deliver it right to your door. Experience our commitment to excellence in international logistics through personalized service and reliable handling of cargo. So why wait? Book your order today and let Express Cargo take care of the rest. For more information, visit us at www.expresscargoservice.site or get in touch with us on facebook.com/expresscargoservice. Welcome to a world of hassle-free imports with Express Cargo, your trusted partner in global logistics.